Hi, my name is Dr. Elena Seranova and I'm the founder of NMN Bio. If you are over 25 and already struggling with increased tiredness and decreased focus, it's because you've already passed your hormonal peak and the levels of your NAD already started decreasing. NAD is an essential molecule that is implicated in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the cell. And the most important part about it is that it also serves as a substrate for your longevity genes called Sirtuins. Now, the bad news is that NAD is actually decreasing with time, but the good news is that you can replete your NAD levels with an NAD booster, such as NMN or nicotinamide mononucleotide. NMN is a vitamin B3 derivative, and by supplementing with NMN, you can boost your NAD levels that are correlated with better mitochondrial function, better DNA repair, and better overall health. Now, this also means that you will have a faster recovery time after your workouts, better endurance, sleep quality, and so on. NMN Bio is offering a 99% pure pharmaceutical grade NMN that is proudly manufactured in an ISO certified facility. We extensively third-party test our NMN at each batch for purity, presence of heavy metals and microorganisms, as well as pH. Support your aging with NMN and rejuvenate your cells from the inside out. Forget about afternoon naps and exhaustion, replete your NAD levels, and support your healthy aging.